Hey guys, my name is Rob Z, and this is my brother, David Zavala.
And we both work for Piedmont.
We're siblings.
Yes.
I'm Brent.
I'm Jake, and we're the Kozar brothers.
Hi, I'm Warren.
And I'm Terrence,
And
and
we're
we're
the
the
Reese
Reese
brothers
brothers
for
working at Piedmont Airlines.
My goal was to bring him to Piedmont, have him learn Piedmont, and have him grow with Piedmont, because we have a lot of avenues.
Yeah, when he first started, I guess I was kind of over him and he would follow behind me, and yeah, so pretty much I taught him the ropes.
We never had any questions, who else to go to than my older brother. He's been there, he had the experience. He was my go-to guy. At the same time, it was a little bit challenging just because there is an expectation there. He is a Zavala, he's been doing a great job, so there's always been that expectation to meet or I have to try to surpass.
We had the opportunity to travel to Boston and got to go to a Red Sox game that I thought was a lot of fun.
My first trip ever flying was to Puerto Rico, and we took that trip together to Puerto Rico together.
It was a good experience, cool experience.
My wife actually made little picture books of some of the trips that we've done as a family. We went to Grand Canyon in Yosemite, and then to Glacier and Yellowstone in the Tetons. You and Haley announced y'all were pregnant with Brooks on one of these trips.
We did, yeah.
And then I actually proposed during one of these trips as well. So there's a lot of family memories that Piedmont has granted us the access to.
It's a good experience having a sibling to work with. Well, whenever we do work together, I know who I'm working with and know that I can count on him and that he's dependable and everything.
It's a good experience to have your brother working and you hear good things from the other department. When they come and tell you, hey, your brother's doing awesome, or he's doing good, or I love working with Roberto. Even my new hires, when they come over to the station, that's the first thing they tell me. I had your brother in class, he was great, and he taught me this. So that feels good. That lets me know that he's touching people, that people are listening to him.
Every time I get to hear from someone I know about, your brother's an excellent employee, we really enjoy him in our department. That's just a really encouraging thing and just makes me proud.